Yo, what's up guys? So I actually need to be heading to school, right? But I just want to make this video real quick. So the reason why you feeling stuck in life is because you break promises you made to yourself, right? So yeah, like actually a few months ago, like I also felt stuck, right? Because I was just trading, that's all. I was just trading and watching series, right? So I wasn't like a serious trader at that time. But like then for the past like 6 months, I just been focused, right? And yeah, so yeah, just don't break promises like that you made to yourself. Like that goes for in trading, journaling, only trading your setup, staying disciplined, risk management, etc. Right?